Welcome to Kalima Maths channel. In this video, we discuss 9th class NCERT CBSE board chapter 10 Heron's formula. So in that we discuss first exercise problems. So here all these problems are depends upon these two formulas. Here in every problem we have to calculate the area of a triangle using this formula under root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is called as semi-perimeter. We can calculate this one by adding three sides of the triangle, and after adding we have to take half of that means divide by 2. So coming to first question, a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeters, what will be the area of the signal board? So here we have to find the area of a signal board which is in the shape of triangle. Here side is mentioned as small a and the perimeter also given as 180 centimeters. So we have to find the area. So generally here equilateral triangle is mentioned. So that means which has all the three sides are same. So that is a equilateral triangle. So then we can calculate the semi-perimeter using the general formula a plus b plus c by 2. Here all are equal side, that's why a plus a whole divided by 2 I am taking. So that is 3a by 2. So now this is a semi-perimeter. Now we have to take the area formula. So it is generally s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now here if you substitute s is equal to 3a by 2 into s minus a, 3a by 2 minus a into again once again same thing, and one more time also same way we have to take, because here all the sides are equal. Now if you simplify, if you apply LCM here, 3a minus 2a by 2. Similarly in remaining two places also we get the same value. So 3a minus 2a equal to 1a. So area equal to 3a by 2 into a by 2 into a by 2 into a by 2. So under root of this thing. So here if you bring out root 3 outside, so here a into a into a into a. So we will have actually a power 4 divided by here 2 power under root of 2 power 4. So that means generally a square means square and square root gets cancelled. So here a power 4 is there, a square left out in the numerator. Similarly b square left out in the that means 2 power 2 square here. Generally 2 square means 4. So root 3 into a square divided by 4, and here units are centimeter because this is area centimeter square. So this is the first answer. Coming to the second question, the triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement. Here you can observe one flyover. Here at both ends, okay, there are triangle shaped signboards. So the sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meters. So three sides are mentioned, 120, 22 and 122 meters. The advertisement yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. So a company, for that company, the people have to pay this much amount. A company hired one of its walls for 3 months. Instead of 1 year, a company hired only for 3 months. So during that period, how much rent they have to pay? Okay, how much rent did it pay? So here first you have to calculate the half of the perimeter, that is S value. So S equal to actually it is sum of three sides divided by 2, that is AB plus BC plus CA divided by 2, like that I am taking. So if you substitute the values, you get 122 plus 22 plus 120 whole divided by 2. So 122 plus 22, 144. 140 plus 144 plus 120 equal to 264. So divided by again 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4. So here units are meter. So the semi perimeter of this signboard equal to 132 meters. Now let's calculate the area. So area equal to under root of S into S minus S. So directly I am substituting 132 into 132 minus 122 into 132 minus 120 into 132 minus 20. So that is A equal to under root of 132 into, so here 10 into, here difference is 12 into, here difference is 110. So if we multiply all of them, we get the answer as 1742400. So under root of this value we have to get. Now if you take square root of that, so how to take the square root of this value? So I am dividing by 10 because here in the ones place 0 is there. So 10 1 ja 10, remainder is 7, that comes before 4, so it becomes 74. So 10 7 ja 70, 74 minus 70 is, the difference is 4, that 4 comes before 2, so it becomes 42. 10 4 ja 42, so remainder 2 comes before 4, so it becomes 24. So 10 2 ja 20, so remainder is 4, so it becomes 40. So 10 4 ja 40, again 10 into 0 0. So in the same way, if you solve, we will get one more time 17424. Now because in the units place 4 is there, I am taking 2 table. So 2 8 is 16. 17 minus 16 is 1. So that 1 comes before 4, so it becomes 14. So 2 7 is 14. Next 2 1 is 2. 2 2 is 4. And in the same way, 2 into 4 3 5 6 equal to 8 7 1 2. Next 2 into 2178 equal to 4356. This time I am taking 3 table. Okay, 2 table only because 8 is there. So 2 1 ja 2. And because 1 is smaller than 2, I have to take the another digit, that is 7. So that's why I am placing here 0. Now it becomes 17, we can take 2 8 is 16. 17 minus 16 equal to 1. So that 1 comes before 8, so it becomes 18. So 2 9 is 18. Now because I observed here 3 is in the units place, we cannot take 2. So I am taking 3 tables. So 3 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. So it becomes 18. So 3 6 is 18 and 3 3 is 9. Next once again I am taking 3 tables. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3. And finally here 121, if I observe, I can directly take 11 table. 11 11 is 121. Finally 11 1 is 11. So here I am going to stop. Now here under root 1742400, we can write like this. Here 10, two tens are there, 10 square I am taking, and how many 2's are there? 4. So 2 and 2 power 4 I am taking, and 2 3's, 3 square. Finally 2 11's are there, 11 square I am taking. So here we can cancel 10 square and the square root gets cancelled, so you will get 2 10 here, and 2 power 4 under root of 2 power 4. In previous problem we already observed 2 square you will get, and here square and square root gets cancelled, you will get 3, and here also you will get 11 only. So 2 square means here, in other words, you can write 4. So if you multiply them, what will you get? 10 4 is 40, 43 is 120, 120 into 11 equal to 1320. So area equal to 1320 meter square. Now coming to the cost calculation for 1 year. That means 12 months, in other words. In terms of months, if you convert 1 year equal to 12 months. So for 12 month, 5000 per meter square. 5000 rupees per meter square is the cost. Then for 3 months, how much amount that company has to pay? So here I am assuming x. So if I do cross multiplication, we can write like this. 12 into x equal to 5000 per meter square into 3 months. Okay, I am neglecting months because 12 months, 3 months gets cancelled. So here we can get x value as 3 into 5000. Now transpose 12 to the other side, so it becomes divided by 12. So 3 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12. So 5000 if you divide with 4, what will you get? Here we will solve 5000 divided by 4. So 4 1 is 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. So if you bring 0, it becomes 10. So 4 2 is 8. So 10 minus 8 equal to 2. If you take second 0, it becomes 20. So 4 5 is 20. Next last 0, units place, if you take 4 into 0 equal to 0. So finally answer is 1250. So this much amount that company has to pay. So 1250 per meter square. So this is the area. Now we have to finally calculate the rent. So rent to be paid I am taking. So that is rupees 1250 per meter square into 1320 meters. Here meter square gets cancelled. So after multiplication we get rupees 16 lakhs 50,000. This much amount that company has to pay. Coming to third one, there is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in some color with a message, keep the park green and clean. So you can see the figure also, 10.0. If the sides of the walls are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, find the area painted in color. So this is a figure. So in this problem, you can take this side wall of that park. So 11 meter, 6 meter, 15 meter. So directly you can we will calculate the half of the perimeter. So by adding these three sides divided by 2. So 11 meters plus 6 meters plus 15 meters divided by 2. So that is 11 plus 6 17, 17 plus 15 32 divided by 2. So that means we will get here 16 meters. Now coming to the area calculation here. under root of s into, here s value 16, s into s minus a, 16 minus 11 into 16 minus 6 into 16 minus 15. So we can calculate area as 16 under root of 16 into 5 into 10 into 1. So here 16 5 is 80, 80 into 10 800, 800 into 1 800. So root 800 we get. So we can write this one as like this, 100 into, writing as 4 into 2. 100 4 is 400, 400 into 2 800. Now you can take root 100 equal to 10 into root 4 equal to 2. Root 2 as it is we can take. So 10 to 20. So 20 root 2 meter square. This is the area of the side wall of the park. Coming to the fourth question, find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeters and 10 centimeters, and the perimeter is 42 centimeters. So in this problem, perimeter is given as, I am writing it as P equal to 42 centimeters. So semi-perimeter equal to generally half of it, P by 2, that is 42 by 2, 21 centimeters. I am equating this with its formula, that is a plus b plus c by 2, that means 18 plus 10, and the third side we don't know, I am assuming that as x divided by 2. So here 2 into 1, if cross multiply, 2 1 is 2, 2 to the power of 42, and simultaneously I am transposing 18 and 10 to the left hand side, so 42 minus 18 minus 10, that is equal to x value. So x equal to 42 minus 28, that is 14 centimeters. Now let's calculate the area. So under root of 21 here, because that is the value of semi-perimeter s value, s into s minus a, 21 minus, one of the side I am assuming 18 into 21 minus second side I am taking 10, and third side into 21 minus, just now we calculated 14. So if we substitute, we will get area as under root of 21 into 3 into 11 into 7. So that is 21 3 is 63 into 11 7 is 77. So that means if you multiply these two, you will get 4851. So you can check it in the rough centimeter square, and let's calculate the roots of this one. So here I am calculating 4851. So I am applying long division method here. So by observing 1 here I am taking 11 table. So 11 into 441 equal to 4851. Next 3 into 147 equal to 441. Next 7 table I am taking. 7 into 2 14, 7 1 is 7. Finally I am taking 3 table or 7 table, anyone you can take. 3 7 is 21. Finally 7 1 is 7. So here you can write this as under root of 11 into 3 square into 7 square. So if you substitute here, so 3 into 7 into root 11 will get. So 3 7 is 21. So 21 root 11, and units are here centimeter square. So this is area. Coming to the fifth one, sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 12 is to 17 is to 25, and its perimeter is 540 centimeters. Find its area. Here sides are given in the form of ratio. So let assume it as 12 is to 17 is to 25, as for example AB is to BC is to CA. You can take one triangle symbol like this, triangle ABC. So here perimeter is given as 540 centimeters. So you can take like this, for 540 centimeters equal to, in terms of x, I am going to write them, and I am adding that ratios 12 into x plus 17 into x plus 25 into x. So from this you can calculate x as 540. Sum of 12 plus 17 plus 25 is 54, and if you transpose to the other side it becomes divided by 54. So 540 by 54 is 54 1 ja 54, 54 into 0 0, so 10. So this is a value of side x, that value of x. So now let's calculate the exact values. AB side value 12 into x, we already assumed AB equal to 12 into x. So that means 12 into 10, 120 centimeter. In the same way BC 17x we will take. So 17 into 20, 10, 170 centimeters. Finally CA will take 25 into x, that is 25 into 10, 250 centimeters. Now let's calculate the semi perimeter. So that is AB plus BC plus CA, 120 plus 170 plus 250 by 2. So that is, we will get 540 divided by 2, in other words 270 centimeters. Now directly we will calculate area as under root of 270 into 270 minus 120 into 270 minus 170 into 270 minus 250. So you can calculate area as under root of 270 into 150 into 100 into 20. So if we simplify, you will get like this, 9 into 3 into 3 into 10 power 6. So that is 3 into 3 into 10 cube. So finally the value is 9000 centimeter square. Coming to the last problem, an isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeters and each of the equal sides is 12 centimeters. Find the area of the triangle. So isosceles triangle means a triangle in which any two sides are equal. For example, I am assuming AB and BC are equal. I am taking 12 centimeters, 12 centimeters. So here perimeter given as 30 centimeters. So from this we can calculate third side as AC equal to P minus perimeter minus sum of remaining two sides. That is AB minus BC. So 30 minus 12 I am taking. So that is 30 minus 24. So that is 6 centimeters. Therefore AC equal to 6 centimeters. So after calculating third side, we will calculate a semi perimeter, that is 12 plus 6 whole divided by 2. That is 30 by 2, 15 centimeters. So area equal to under root of S into, here S value is 15. 15 into S minus A. 15 minus 12 into 15 minus 12, because two sides are same, and third side 15 minus 6 here. So that is A equal to under root of 15 into 3 into 3 into 9. In other words, 9 you can write like 3 into 3. So you can write like this. Otherwise 3 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So total how many 3s are? 3 power 5 is. Otherwise we will take 3 5 of 15 as it is. 3 under 3 power 4 into 15. So under root of this one. So that means 3 square into root 15. Finally 3 square means 9. So 9 root 15 and units are centimeter square. So So this is the area of that isosceles triangle. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and share this channel.